Chef Bill has done it again. He's made another amazing gluten-free pizza masterpiece. He's going to tell us how he did it.
Really simple. The key to it is I used the Namaste crust, which is probably the best in the industry. Follow the directions for the crust, and the secret is you have to let the dough chill. Then what I do is I use a rubber spatula, if you want to look over here, Stacy, just soaked in olive oil. And I work the pizza dough out with the rubber spatula because the gluten-free crust is a little bit different than regular pizza crust. Then what you do is I use right here, if you want to get a picture of this is a pizza stone. You can buy it at any cook's place. They're about $15. So you take a pizza stone and you work the crust out on the pizza stone and par bake it for about 18 minutes. Then you pull it out, then you put your toppings on, whatever you like. Some people like pesto pizza. This is a traditional red pizza. Marinara sauce, sausage. I used manchego, a little pecorino, fresh parsley, Italian seasoning, onions, and fresh sausage. Bon appetit.
It looks amazing. Thanks, Chef Bill.
You're welcome.